Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today, got another product for you guys. We're going to do a little review on it. Picked a car that was in need of some help, needs some detailing done to it. And it's about a 4-year-old car, it's 2016. Hardly gets washed at all, so it's seen a lot of road debris on it. So really a good candidate for this product. It's going to show a good before and after for you guys. All right, so the product we are going to be reviewing today is Cerakote Trim Coat, easy to apply ceramic coating, protect and restore trim for 200 washes or more. Just wipes on, guaranteed for 200 washes, and it shows a little before and after there. Back of it, basically just keep the plastic cool, wipe it on, and keep it out of direct sunlight or moisture. Let it dry for about an hour before exposing it to moisture, and then that's pretty much it. You're gonna get an awesome result. I've used it before. I'm not gonna show you guys on my car since I've already applied it, and you're not really gonna be able to tell a difference. So let's go. So first thing, we're just gonna do a quick walk around of the car. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Then we're gonna do a wash of it, just a basic wash, nothing crazy. Gonna apply some products to get the oxidation off of the plastic before we put this on, and then we're going to apply it. That's basically it. For the soap, we're going with the Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss Auto Shampoo with Gloss Enhancer. So we'll squirt some of that in the bottle, get some suds going, and start washing. Alright, so we got the whole car scrubbed down. As you can see, there's really nothing going on, no beading there. The water just kind of sheeting on it. So we scrubbed the plastic trim with soap and water, and now I'm going to cover the plastic trim with this Adams tire and rubber cleaner. And it said says safe to use on plastic and trim parts. It says it effectively removes oxidation, wax, and polish residue from rubber and plastic trim parts. So before we apply our ceramic coating to the plastic, we're going to put this on to make sure we get everything off of it. Alright guys, we got the Adams tire and rubber cleaner off the car. Let's dry this pig off, see what we're left with. And so we're done drying it off. Big improvement, but it's good from afar, but far from good. When you get up close to it, you can see the oxidation still on the plastic trim, especially down here. Alright, so here it is. The Cerakote Trim Coat. Let's look inside and I'll show you guys what's in here. So we got some latex gloves and a bunch of these little packets. So all you do is tear one of these open, put the gloves on first and just start rubbing it on the plastic trim. It's as easy as that. All right, so we've been working on it for a little while now. Let me show you guys what we got going on. Check out that trim now. Nice and black. And you can see down here where I have applied it and where I haven't applied it, and really it's as easy as just wipe it on. This towel's about dried up. Each one of these little towels is just saturated in the ceramic solution, and you just wipe it on just like you would with an Armor All or something. And then you give it a little bit of time to dry and you're good. With the amount of time she washes this vehicle, it's not gonna have to be done again, and it'll look like that forever. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on here, get the rest of that done. Look at that, wow. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Just gonna show you guys a little bit at the back of the car here. This stuff is easy to put on, seriously, anybody can do this. Bam. Alright, so trim coat applied. Car could definitely still use some work on detailing for sure. I'm just going to do a walk around and show you guys the plastic trim now. Show you guys what it looks like. Nice and black. Shiny. And it'll stay like that. It will stay shiny like that for up to 200 washes, it says. Seems like it took maybe about a half an hour to start to dry on the vehicle. Maybe a full hour will do it. But then you're not going to want to get it wet for a little while here while it dries. But yeah, that's it. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the review. Like and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. But it's time for me to go. Got to kill some people in Call of Duty.